Hello my beautiful queens. Today we're going to be doing another goddess lock tutorial. This time I'm not going to speed up the tutorial. I'm actually going to let it play and explain to you in detail what I'm doing. So right now I'm adding a leave-in conditioner, moisturizer in my client's hair. Now you want to make sure that the hair is coated before you even start your locks. I section the hair into multiple sections. Now the reason I do this is because, for one, it gets the hair out the way. For two, it helps me keep track of the time I have left. Each section is about an hour. Now I'm using Freetress Crochet hair, and I'm going to braid her hair first. I'm starting with the bottom section, and I'm going to section off a medium size section for my braid. You want to detangle the hair before you even start the braid. I'm using a Freetress hair to do my box braid. Make sure you do not braid your hair or your client's hair too tight. You don't want the scalp to bulk up, as well as you don't want any bumps. Any hairstyle that hurts is not considered a protective hairstyle.
You'll be killing it either way. Ain't nothing they can say. All lies gonna be on you. Take a seat. Get my face beat up.
I don't braid all the way to the ends. I braid slightly past her natural hair, and I use that as a guide to where I need to stop when I wrap the Marley hair around. Now that I finished the bottom section, I'm now going to take my Marley hair. This particular brand is Noir, and I'm going to take a crochet needle, place it through the top of the braid close to the root where her natural hair meets the braid, and then I'm going to pull the Marley hair through the braid and start the wrap. Now here's the fun part. Remember, while wrapping, you want to wrap some and push up. Wrap some and push up. The reason that you are pushing up is because you do not want your goddess locks or your faux locks to look like a two-strand twist, or you don't want to see the braid, or you do not want your goddess locks or faux locks to unravel. You're going to continue to wrap until there is no more Marley hair. You're now going to take a drop of nail glue and finish the lock. So once you do your drop of nail glue, you're going to wrap the little bitty piece that is left, and that seals the lock. Now I like to take a pair of scissors or shears and layer the curly hair. Or in other words, get rid of some of the curly hair. You don't want a lot of curly hair at the bottom. You want it to be a very small, skinny piece.
If you feel like hitting the town tonight, or you feel like doing whatever you like, feeling how she did it, looking to get pretty, I know where you can go get it right. Put it away, no more work to do.
Moving on to the next section, we're doing the same thing, but this time we're taking the lighter hair. So again, you see me take the crochet needle, place it through the root of the braid, pull the Marley hair through, and start the wrap. Again and again, I'm gonna say this and I'm keep saying this. Wrap, push up, wrap, push up.
Touched by the fun, magic in a touch, savage with the brush. Get touched, get touched. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been till you been touched by the fun. Anything you show up, I betcha she can do it better. Get touched, get touched.
Now we are finished. We're going to add Nairobi. Nairobi is one of my favorite products. We're going to add Nairobi foaming, which is it's a setting foam to the ends. And this is going to define the curls, because remember, we played around with the curls. We pulled them apart, we cut them. So we want to bring the curls back to life.
Touched by the fun, magic in a touch, savage with the brush. Get touched, get touched. You ain't never been touched. You ain't never been till you been touched by the fun. Anything you show up.
Now you can't really see, but I'm spraying LaFine Care's Hydration Sheen on the scalp and on the hair. And I'm going to follow up with LaFine Care's Scalp Oil. We are done. I hope you guys like this video. Oh, I forgot. I had to put on hair jewelry. So a couple pieces of hair jewelry. You know, you got to add a little pizzazz to your client's hair. But I hope you guys like this video. Stay tuned for the next one. Rate, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. Until next time, get touched.